I'm Michael Crowley, National Fisherman's Boats and Gear Editor. And I'm here with Chelsea Woodward from NIOSH's Alaska Pacific Office at Pacific Marine Expo in Seattle. In the Gulf of Mexico, in August 2012, a 15-year-old boy working on a shrimper got entangled in a trawl winch and died. That got the NIOSH's attention. And after some more investigative work, they found that between 2000 and 2011, there were at least 35 other entanglements with 8 deaths. And that presented, obviously, a problem. And so NIOSH and Chelsea set about developing a passive preventive system to keep people out of winches. And working with the company called Tool in Marblehead, Massachusetts, they have developed just such devices. But I'll let Chelsea explain those and what they're going to be doing next.
Thank you, Michael. As you said, we've been working with a contractor in Massachusetts to develop some static guarding for the main drum winches and for the side trawl fishery down in the Gulf of Mexico. When we started this, we were looking on how to come up with interventions that focused on different hazard areas on the winch, and that would be around the main drums, around the cat heads, on the line leveling, and with the tri-net winches. To focus on the main drums, we came up with a static guard design for 3 of the most popular winches used in the area. Those prototypes are being tested right now in the Gulf of Mexico with a number of fishermen. We've been focusing on Texas and Louisiana, and we're breaking into the different fishing cultures down there. We have a heavy Hispanic population of shrimpers, we have a heavy Vietnamese population of shrimpers, and we have a heavy population of Cajun. So we're trying to break into each one of those groups and do some testing that focuses in each of those communities. So when we first started, we thought that we would be able to develop a standardized guard that we could do minor modifications and make it standard across a number of different models. Since the prototype testing has started and the designs have been made, we have discovered that there's so many differences between the 3 top winches that we'll probably have to continue our testing to develop specific guarding for each of those 3. The top 3 are the 515.5T Strasbourg, the 505 McElroy, and the 503 McElroy. And the sizes of these winches and the dimensions of and the configuration of the drums makes it necessary to do more than just minor tweaks to incorporate a design that is functional and strong enough to hold up against any type of fisherman rubbing into it. We will continue the testing throughout next year. We'll be looking for other test boats to put these designs on, and we will keep on listening to the fishermen to make those suggestions and follow up on those suggestions on design changes.